My name is Marisa Vidila. I am married. I have 5 children. The work of my husband is a driver. I have 2 sisters and 2 brothers. And my religion is Catholic. My work experience is I am domestic helper in the Philippines. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning the house, ironing the clothes and washing, gardening, marketing, washing the car, and I can also cook Filipino food. And I am willing to learn Chinese dishes, and I love taking care of baby. I give him milk on time, and I change her diaper if necessary. I give him medicine and vitamins by the prescription of the doctor. I love the baby as my own baby. Sir, Madam, I am responsible, loving, hardworking. If you choose me, I do all responsibilities and duties. Please, Madam, choose me. I promise to you to obey your rules and regulations and finish the 2 years contract.